Afghan English Academy.
Yes, darling. I am so happy today. I won the beauty competition.
Yes, darling. Ho mehbooba. Darling walki ke mehboob da. I am so happy today. Zanan dera zyata khushhala yama. Happy walki ke khushhala. I won the beauty competition. Ma da khayis muqabila wagatala. Competition walki ki muqabile ta.
Everyone was looking at me.
Everyone was looking at me. Har cha ma ta katal.
Just coming.
Just coming. Bas hamdaud zirzama.
Okay, honey. I will call you back.
Okay, honey. Saida khoga. I will call you back. Zibutata birta zangu waham.
What happened to the lights?
What happened to the lights? Padi barqunu bani suwa kishwal. Lights walkigi barquna.
Who is here?
Who is here? The swag de.
Who are you? No, no. Please don't kill me.
Who are you to swagi? No, no. Please don't kill me. Mehrabani waka mama wajna. Kill walkigi wajaluta.
Do you know? Jenny won the competition last night.
Do you know ayatas pohigia? Jenny won the competition last night. Jenny tirashpa muqabila wagatala. Last night walkigi tirishpeta.
Yes, I heard about her. She is the most beautiful girl in our college.
Yes, ho, I heard about her. Ma de hege baraki wawridada. She is the most beautiful girl. Haga tartul ziyata khaista janida in our college. Zamung palesa ke college walkigi leseta.
We will win next time. Do you know our college is choosing 4 winners?
We will win next time. Mung ba ratun ki waqt be wagatu. Win walkigi gataluta. Do you know ayatas pohigia? Our college is choosing 4 winners. Zamunga lesa salur winners walkigi غتا ګټون کی تا زمونږ لیسا سالور ګټون کی انتخابوي.
We did our best. I hope we will win this competition.
We did our best. مونږ په خپل خو کوشش وکړ. I hope ز امید لرم we will win this competition چې مونږ به دغه مقابله ګټو.
I am pretty sure. We will win.
I am pretty sure ز بالکل یقیني یم we will win مونږ به ګټو.
Girls, do you know what happened last night?
Girls, Jinakiano, do you know ayatas pohigia what happened last night? چې تیر شپه سوا کې شول.
What happened? Why are you so sad?
What happened? سوا کې شول. Why are you so sad? ته ولې دومره خپه یې؟
Is everything all right?
Is everything all right? آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟
Somebody killed Jenny last night.
Somebody killed Jenny last night. یو چا جینی تیر شپه مړه کړه.
What? Who killed her?
What, sir? Who killed her? هغه چا وژله.
People are saying that serial killer killed Jenny.
People are saying خلک وایي چې that serial killer killed Jenny چې هغه serial killer چې د وژونکي چې دا جینی وژله. ملګرو serial killer ویل کېږي هغه وژونکي ته چې ډېر زیات مرګونه یې کړي وي.
Is he crazy? Who is he?
Is he crazy? آیا هغه لیونی دی؟ crazy ویل کېږي لیوني ته. Who is he? هغه څوک دی؟
He kills beautiful girls. Police is looking for him.
He kills beautiful girls. هغه ښایسته جنکیانې وژني. Beautiful ویل کېږي ښایسته ته. Police is looking for him. Police د هغه لټنه کوي.
Jenny was the second girl. First he killed Rose. She won the beauty competition last week.
Jeannie was the second girl. Jeannie دویمه جنۍ وه. First لومړی he killed Rose. لومړی هغه روز وژله. She won the beauty competition. هغه د ښایست مقابله ګټلې وه. Last week تیره هفته.
I hope police will arrest him soon.
I hope زه امید لرم police will arrest him soon چې پولیس به هغه ډیر زر په حراست کې ونیسي. arrest ول کېږي نیولو ته په حراست کې.
You scared us.
You scared us. تا خو موږ وډار کړو. scare ول کېږي ډارول. Where is Tony? Tony چیرته ده؟
Tony.
He is studying in the library.
He is studying in the library. هغه په کتابتون کې مطالعه کوي.
Let's go and tell him.
Let's go and tell him. راځي چې لاړ شو او هغه ته ووایو.
Tony, do you know Jenny has been killed?
Tony, do you know آیا ته پوهیږي Jenny has been killed چې جینی چې ده هغه وژل شوې ده.
What? That serial killer killed Jenny as well.
What, sir? That serial killer killed Jenny as well. هغه serial وژونکي جینی هم وژله.
How do you know? That serial killer killed Jenny.
How do you know? ته څنګه پوهیږي that serial killer killed Jenny چې هغه serial وژونکي جینی وژله.
Everyone knows. He kills beautiful girls.
Everyone knows. هر یو پوهیږي. He kills beautiful girls. هغه ښایسته جنکیانې وژني.
We have to be strong. Who is he?
We have to be strong. موږ باید زړور اوسو. strong ول کېږي زړه قوي ته. مطلب موږ باید قوي اوسو. Who is he? هغه څوک دی؟
No one knows about
No one knows about him. هیڅوک هم د هغه باره کې نه پوهیږي.
him.
These kind of people are crazy. He has mental issues.
These kind of people are crazy. دغه قسمه خلک چې دا لیونی دي. crazy ول کېږي لیونی ته. He has mental issues. هغه دماغي مشکلات لري. mental issues ول کېږي دماغي مشکلات ته.
Cheer up, girls. Police will arrest him soon. Don't sweat.
Cheer up, girls. خوشاله شي جنکیانو. Police will arrest him soon. پولیس به هغه ډیر زر په حراست کې ونیسي. Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږي مه.
Tony is right, guys. Girls, our college is choosing the 4 beautiful winners.
Tony is right, guys. Tony بالکل صحیح دی. Girls جنکیانو. Our college is choosing the مونږ لیسه انتخابوي the 4 beautiful winners. څلور ښایسته ګټونکي tonight نن شپه. tonight ول کېږي نن شپې ته.
Tonight.
Yes. I am really excited about it. Let's go, girls.
Yes, I am really excited. ډیره خوشحاله یم about it دې باره کې. Let's go, girls. راځئ چې لاړ شو جنکیانو. excite ول کېږي ملګرو ډیر زیات خوشحاله.
Girls.
Jacob, you don't need to worry. He kills beautiful girls, not
Jacob دې هلک نوم دی. You don't need to worry. تاسو ضرورت نشته چې ته پریشانه سي. He kills beautiful girls, not boys. هغه ښایسته جنکیانې وژني نه هلکان.
boys.
I don't like serial killers. I am afraid of...
I don't like serial killers. ما ته دغه سیرل وژونکي خوند نه راکوي. نه خوښومه. I am afraid of them. زه له دوی څخه ډارېږم.
I am with you, my friend.
I am with you, my friend. زه له تا سره یم زما ملګریه. Don't panic. ډارېږم. panic ول کېږي ډارېدل.
Panic.
Hello, everyone. Every year our college chooses 4 winners.
Hello, everyone. سلام هر یو ته. Every year our college choosing 4 winners. هر کال زمونږ لیسه څلور ګټونکي انتخابوي.
First of all, thank you so much for coming. Here are the 4 winners.
First of all, لومړی خو thank you so much for coming. ډیره زیاته مننه د راتګ څخه مو دلته. Here are the 4 winners. دلته دي دغه څلور ګټونکي.
These are the most beautiful girls in our college.
These are the most beautiful girls in our college. دا زمونږ د لیسې تر ټولو ښایسته جنکیانې دي.
Congrats all of you. How are you feeling?
Congrats all of you ټول دې مبارک وي. How are you feeling تاسو څنګه احساس کوئ؟ feeling ویل کېږي احساس کول.
We are best friends. We are over the moon.
We are best friends. مونږ ښه ملګري یو. We are over the moon. مونږ ډیر زیات خوشحاله یو. ملګرو over the moon ویل کېږي ډیر زیات خوشحاله.
We did our best. Thanks to all professors and students.
We did our best. مونږ خپله ښه ترسره کړه ښه کوشش مو وکړ. Thanks to all professors and students. له ټولو پروفیسرانو او زده کوونکو څخه ډیر زیاته مننه.
We are so happy to be here.
We are so happy to be here. مونږ ډیر زیات خوشحاله یو چې دلته یو.
Thank you so much, dear teachers and students.
Thank you so much, dear teachers and students. ډیر زیاته مننه خوږو استادانو او شاګردانو.
Congrats all of you once again.
Congrats all of you once again. یو ځل بیا تاسو ټول ته مبارک وي.
Congrats, girls. You won this competition.
Congrats, girls. مبارک جنکیانو. You won this competition. تاسو دغه مقابله وګټله.
Thanks, Tony. I am the first winner.
Thanks, Tony. مننه Tony. I am the first winner. زه لومړی ګټونکی یم. winner ویل کېږي ګټونکي ته.
I am the second winner.
I am the second winner. زه دویم ګټونکی یم.
I am the third.
I am the third. زه دریم یم.
And I am the fourth winner.
And I am the fourth winner. او زه څلورم ګټونکی یم.
Congrats all of you. I am so happy for you guys.
Congrats all of you. تاسو ټول ته دې مبارک وي. I am so happy for you guys. زه ستاسو لپاره ډیر زیات خوشحاله یم.
We should celebrate this
We should celebrate this happiness. مونږ باید دغه خوشحالي ولمانځو. Celebrate ویل کېږي لمانځلو ته او happiness ویل کېږي خوشحالي ته.
happiness.
Of course. We will celebrate this victory.
Of course, بالکل. We will celebrate this victory. مونږ به دغه کامیابي لمانځو. Victory ویل کېږي کامیابي ته.
But not now. We are exhausted.
But not now. لیکن اوس نه. We are exhausted. مونږ ستړي یو ډیر. Exhausted ویل کېږي ملګرو ډیر زیات ستړی چې کله انسان وي.
Yes. We want to go home. See you guys tomorrow.
Yes, we want to go home. مونږ غواړو چې کور ته لاړ شو. See you guys tomorrow. سبا ته به ګورو هلکانو.
Tomorrow.
All right,
see you. بالکل صحیح ده ګورو به.
You.
Aria. Are you hiding something?
Aria, are you hiding something? آیا ته له موږ څخه یو څه پټوې؟ Hiding ویل کېږي پټولو ته.
Something.
What are you talking
about? دا تاسو د څه په اړه کې خبرې کوئ؟
about?
They are talking about Tony. You and Tony love each other.
They are talking about Tony. دوی د ټوني باره کې خبرې کوي. You and Tony love each other. ته او ټوني یو له بل سره مینه کوي.
Why did you tell?
Come on. We are best friends.
Come on, we are best friends. موږ ملګري یو.
Why did you hide this secret from us?
Why did you hide this secret from us? تا ولې دغه راز د موږ څخه پټ کړ؟ Secret ویل کېږي راز ته.
I was going to tell you. I just wanted to make sure.
I was going to tell you. ما تاسو ته ویلې. I just wanted. ما یوازې غوښتل to make sure چې زه یقیني شم.
Tony loves you a lot. You both look good together.
Tony loves you a lot. Tony له تاسو سره ډېره مینه کوي. You both look good together. تاسو دواړه ډېر ښه ښکارئ. Together ویل کېږي یو ځای مطلب تاسو دواړه یو ځای ډېر ښه ښکارئ.
I am just worried about that killer.
I am just worried about that killer. زه یوازې د هغه وژونکي باره کې پریشانه یم.
We won this beauty competition. He can kill us.
Guys, we won this beauty competition. مونږ دغه د ښایست مقابله وګټله. He can kill us. هغه کولی شي چې مونږ ووژني.
What rubbish. Nobody can hurt us. I know police will find him.
What rubbish. دا څو فضول خبرې کوي. Nobody can hurt us. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې موږ ته زیان ورسوي. hurt ویل کېږي زیان رسول. I know زه پوهېږم police will find him چې پولیس به هغه پیدا کړي.
I am really scared. He must be know about us. We have to be careful.
I am really scared. زه ډېره ډاره شوې یم. He must be know about us. هغه به ضرور زموږ باره کې پوهېږي. We have to be careful. موږ باید احتیاطمند اوسو. careful ویل کېږي احتیاطمند ته.
Nothing is going to happen. We are brave girls. Be strong.
Nothing is going to happen. هیڅ به هم نه واقع کېږي. We are brave girls. موږ زړور جنکیان یو. brave ویل کېږي زړور ته. Be strong. قوي اوسئ.
Come on guys, cheer up. We will be celebrating our victory tomorrow.
Come on guys, cheer up. راځئ جنکیانو مطلب خوشحاله شئ. We will be celebrating. موږ به لمانځو our victory tomorrow. زموږ کامیابي سبا ته.
Yeah, sure.
You are so naughty, Tony.
You are so naughty, Tony. ته ډېر شوخې ټوني. naughty ویل کېږي شوخ ته.
My friends know about us now.
My friends know about us now. زموږ ملګري و زموږ باره کې پوهېږي.
I will see you tomorrow. I love you, honey.
I will see you tomorrow. زه به له تا سره سبا ته بیا ګورم. I love you, Tony. زه له تا سره مینه کوم خوږې.
I love you too. Good night.
I love you too. زه هم له تا سره مینه کوم. Good night. ښه شپه ولرئ.
Mom, Dad, are you guys there?
Mom, Dad, are you guys there? مور او پلاره آیا تاسو هلته یې؟
Who is here? Mom, Dad.
Who is here? دلته څوک دی؟ Mom, مور یې. Dad, پلاره.
Dad. No, no. Please don't kill me. I beg.
No, Nana. Please don't kill me. مهرباني وکړئ ما مه وژنئ. I beg you. زه تاسو ته سوال کوم. beg ویل کېږي سوال کول.
You. Please. Do not kill me.
Please don't do this. مهرباني وکړئ داسې مه کوئ. Do not kill me. ما مه وژنئ.
Please stop it. Somebody help me.
Please stop it. مهرباني وکړه ودرېږه. Somebody help me. یو څوک زما کومک وکړي.
Help me. Somebody help me.
Pick up Aria. Why is not she answering?
Pick up area. اوچت که area. Why is not she answering? هغه ولې ځواب نه راکوي.
It never happened before. Something is fishy.
It never happened before. دا هیڅکله هم داسې مخکې نه واقع شوي. Something is fishy. یو څه ګډوډ دی. Fishy ویل کېږي ګډوډ ته.
I have to go Aria's home. I hope she is fine.
I have to go Aria's home. زه باید د ایریا کور ته لاړ شم. I hope she is fine. زه امید لرم چې هغه به ټیک وي.
Aria. It's me, Tony. Open the door.
Aria, it's me, Tony. دا زه یم Tony. Open the door. مهرباني وکړه دروازه خلاصه کړه.
Aria, can you hear me?
Aria, can you hear me? آیا ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟
It's strange. The door is open.
It's strange. دا خو بالکل عجیبه ده. Strange ویل کېږي عجیب ته. The door is open. دروازه خلاصه ده.
No, no. Aria. My love.
No, Aria, Nana, Aria, my love, zama mini.
Aria. Open your eyes. Who killed you? Aria, you can't leave me.
Aria, open your eyes, mehrabani wa kastargi di khlasi ka. Who killed you to chaw wajali? Aria, you can't leave me, tanash kawale chi ma prek di. Leave velki ki pre khudalu ta.
Anna speaking from police station. How can I help you?
Anna is speaking from the police station. Anna the police station څخه خبرې کوي. How can I help you? څنګه کولای شم چې تاسو کومک وکړم؟
What? Have you seen that killer? I am sending my team there.
What, sir? Have you seen that killer? آیا تا هغه وژونکی ولید؟ کیلر ولکېږي وژونکي ته. I am sending my team there. زه خپل ټیم هلته درلیږم.
Hands up, killer.
Hands up, killer. لاسونه دې اوچت کا وژونکیه.
What are you saying?
What are you saying? ته څه وایې؟
Keep quiet. You have killed so many girls. Your game is over.
Keep quiet. خاموش شه. You have killed so many girls. تا ډېر زیات جنکیانې وژلې دي. Your game is over. ستا گیم نور ختم شو.
I did not kill her. She was my love.
I did not kill her. ما هغه نه ده وژلې. She was my love. هغه زما مینه وه.
You are under arrest.
You are under arrest. ته په حراست کې یې.
You have got the wrong guy. I am not a killer.
You have got the wrong guy. تاسو غلط حالت نیولی دی. I am not a killer. زه وژونکی نه یم.
Police will investigate. You just keep quiet.
Police will investigate. Police با څارنه یعنی څېړنه به وکړي. Investigate ول کېږي څارنه کول څېړنه کول. You just keep quiet. ته باید اوس خاموشه شي.
Somebody had killed her before.
Somebody had killed her before. یو چا هغه وژلې وه مخکې ده.
Please call my friends. They know me very well.
Please call my friends. مهرباني وکړه زما ملګرو ته زنګ ووهه. They know me very well. دوی ما ښه پیژني.
Well, I can't kill someone.
I can't kill someone. زه نشم کولی چې یو څوک ووژنم.
We will find out what's the truth.
We will find out. موږ به پیدا کړو what's the truth چې رښتیا څه دي.
Hello, Ashley. Is everything all right?
Hello, Ashley. Salam, Ashley. Is everything all right? آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟
Can you please come outside? We are waiting for you in the car.
Can you please come outside? آیا ته کولی شې په مهرباني سره بهر راشې. outside ویل کېږي بهر ته. We are waiting for you in the car. موږ ستا لپاره په موټر کې انتظار کوو.
What's the matter? What happened?
What's the matter? څه مسله ده؟ matter ویل کېږي مسلې ته. What happened? څه واقع شول؟
Please come outside. We will tell you everything.
Please come outside. مهرباني وکړه بهر راشه. We will tell you everything. موږ به تا ته هر څه ووایو.
Okay, I am coming.
Okay, ټیک ده. I am coming. زه درځم.
What's going on, guys? Why are you so upset?
What's going on, guys? څه روان دي جنکیانو؟ Why are you so upset? تاسو ولې دومره خفه یې؟ upset ویل کېږي خفه.
We have to go to the police station.
We have to go to the police station. موږ باید police station ته لاړ شو.
Why? Did you do something?
Why? ولې? Did you do something? آیا تاسو یو څه وکړل؟
Aria is no more. That killer killed her.
Aria is no more. Aria نور نشته یعنی مړه شوله. سیدې دی مطلب دی. That killer killed her. هغه وژونکي هغه ووژله.
This cannot be happening. How is this possible?
This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. How is this possible? دا څنګه ممکن دی؟ possible ویل کېږي ممکن ته.
Police called us. They have caught the killer.
Police called us. Police موږ ته زنګ وهلی وو. They have caught the killer. هغوی هغه وژونکی نیولی دی.
Who is that? He killed our best friend. I will not forgive him.
Who is that? هغه څوک دی؟ He killed our best friend. هغه زمونږ تر ټولو ښه ملګری ووژله. I will not forgive him. زه به هغه معاف نه کړم. Forgive ویل کېږي معاف کولو ته.
We don't know. We have to go to the police station and find out the truth.
We don't know. موږ نه پوهیږو. We have to go to the police station. موږ باید پولیس سټیشن ته لاړ شو. And find out the truth. او رښتیا پیدا کو چې رښتیا څه دی. Truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته.
Let's go.
Let's go. راځئ چې لاړ شو.
Who is that killer?
Who is that killer? هغه وژونکی څوک ده؟
When we reached Aria's home, he was there.
When we reached Aria's home, کله چې موږ د ایریا کور ته ورسېدلو, he was there. هغه هلته و.
He killed so many girls.
He killed so many girls. هغه ډېر زیاتې جنکیانې وژلې دي.
He said he did not kill Aria. He knows all of you.
He said هغه وویلې he did not kill Aria چې هغه ایریا نه ده وژلې. He knows all of you. هغه تاسو ټول پیژني.
What? He knows us. How is this possible?
What so? He knows us. هغه موږ پیژني. How is this possible? دا څنګه ممکن دی؟
We want to see his face. Where is he?
We want to see his face. موږ غواړو چې د هغه مخ ووینو. Where is he? هغه چیرته ده؟
He is in the lockup. He knows all of you. That's why I called.
He is in the lockup. هغه په لوکاپ کې په جیل کې ده. He knows all of you. هغه تاسو ټول پیژني. That's why I called you. نو ځکه ما تاسو زنګ ووهو.
You. We want to see him right now.
We want to see him right now. موږ غواړو چې هغه همدا اوس ووینو.
Okay, follow me.
Okay, follow me. صحیح دی ما فالو کړئ.
He is the
killer. هغه وژونکی دی.
Killer.
Tony, did you kill
Tony? Did you kill Aria? آیا تا ایریا وژله؟
Aria?
I can't believe it. You can't kill
I can't believe it. زه یقین نشم کولی. Believe ویل کېږي یقین کولو ته. You can't kill someone. ته نشې کولی چې یو څوک ووژنې.
someone. This is
impossible. دا خو غیر ناممکنه ده. Impossible ویل کېږي ناممکن ته.
Possible.
Guys, you have to believe me. I did not kill.
Guys, you have to believe me. تاسو باید ما باندې یقین وکړئ. I did not kill Aria. My Aria نه ده وژلې.
Aria. She was my love. I can't.
She was my love. هغه زما مینه وه. I can't kill her. زه هغه نشم وژلی.
Kill her.
This is
so strange. دا ډېر عجیبه ده. Strange ویل کېږي عجیب ته.
strange.
What were you doing there? تا هلته څه کوله؟
doing there?
Aria was not answering my calls. I was so worried.
Aria was not answering my calls. Aria زما زنګونو ته جواب نه راکوه. I was so worried about her. زه د هغې باره کې ډېره پریشانه شومه.
About her. I went to her home.
زه د هغې کور ته لاړم to check her چې هغه وګورم.
To check her. She was on the. Somebody killed her with a knife.
She was on the floor. هغه په فرش باندې و باندې پرته و فرش باندې. Floor ویل کېږي فرش ته. Somebody killed her with a knife. یو چا هغه وژلې وه په چاقو سره. Knife ویل کېږي چاقو ته.
Nobody was there except you. You killed her.
Nobody was there except you. هلته هیڅوک هم نه ول ستا نه بغیر. You killed her. ته هغه ووژله.
I did not kill her. How did you find out about her murder?
I did not kill her. ما هغه نه ده وژلې. How did you find out about her murder? تا څنګه هغه د مطلب تا څنګه د مرډر باره کې خبرتیا ترلاسه کړه؟
We received a phone call from that neighborhood.
We received a phone call. موږ یو call receive کو یعنی ترلاسه کړ from that neighborhood له هغه گاوند څخه.
Somebody heard Aria's screams.
Somebody heard یو چا واورېدل Aria scream د ایریا چغې. Scream ویل کېږي چغو ته.
Who Who was he? You should call him.
Who was he هغه څوک دی یعنی څوک و هغه You should call him ته باید هغه ته زنګ ووهې
Yes. You should call him. Our Tony can't kill someone.
Yes ho you should call him تاسو باید هغه ته زنګ ووهې Our Tony can't kill someone زمونږ ټوني نشي کولی چې یو څوک ووژني
We know Tony very well. We are best friends.
We know Tony very well مونږ ټوني ښه پیژنو We are best friends مونږ ښه ملګري یو
You should arrest a real killer.
You should arrest a real killer تاسو باید په حراست کې ونیسئ یو حقیقي وژونکی
We will investigate everything. If he is innocent, we will bail him.
We will investigate everything موږ به هر څه څارنه وکړو د هر څه investigate ویل کېږي څارنه کول if he is innocent که چېرته هغه بېګناه وي innocent ویل کېږي بېګناه ته then we will bail him موږ به بیا هغه پرېږدو
Hello, officer.
Yes, David. Did you find that person who called us?
Yes, David. Did you find that person who called us آیا تا هغه شخص پیدا کړ چا چې موږ د زنګ وهلی و
No. He called us from the phone booth. We could not find him.
No, he called us from the phone booth هغه موږ ته زنګ وهلی و له phone booth څخه phone booth مطلب هغه موبایل ته ویل کېږي چې بهر د پبلیک لپاره وي صرف د خلکو لپاره وي په یو کوټه کې دننه هغه ته phone booth ویل کېږي We could not find him موږ نشو کولی چې هغه پیدا کړو
You see, I did not kill Arya. That murder called you.
You see ته پوه شولې I did not kill Arya my Arya نه ده وژلې That murder called you هغه وژونکي تا ته زنګ وهلی و
He wanted to trap me. You should find that killer.
He wanted to trap me هغه غوښتل چې ما په جال کې ونیسي trap ویل کېږي یو څوک په جال کې نیوله You should find that killer تاسو باید هغه وژونکی پیدا کړئ
Yes, officer. Our Tony is innocent. He can't kill his love.
Yes, officer هو officer Our Tony is innocent زمونږ ټوني بېګناه ده He can't kill his love هغه نشي کولی خپله مینه ووژني
This case is very strange. Why is he killing beautiful girls?
This case is very strange دا کیس ډېر عجیبه ده Why is he killing beautiful girls هغه ولې ښایسته جنکیانې وژني
We are so scared, officer. Please find that killer as soon as possible.
We are so scared, officer موږ ډېر ډار شوي یو officer Please find that killer مهرباني وکړه هغه وژونکی پیدا کړه as soon as possible څومره چې زر وي او امکان لري
We will find him. He can't defeat us.
We will find him موږ به هغه پیدا کړو He can't defeat us هغه نشي کولی چې موږ ته ماتې راکړي defeat ویل کېږي ماتې ورکول
Can you please open this lockup now?
Can you please open this lockup now آیا تاسو کولی شئ په مهرباني سره دغه لوکپ خلاص کړئ
I am so sorry.
I am so sorry زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم
Pull yourself together, Tony. We are with you.
Pull yourself together, Tony خپل ځان دې سنبال کړه Tony We are with you موږ له تا سره یو
I lost my love. We were going to tell everyone about us.
I lost my love ما خپله مینه له لاسه ورکړه We were going to tell everyone about us موږ هر چا ته ویلي د خپل باره کې د خپل ځان باره کې موږ هر چا ته ویلي وو
Why did she leave me alone? Arya, come back.
Why did she leave me alone هغه ولې زه یوازې پرېښودلمه alone ویل کېږي یوازې Arya, come back Arya بیرته راشه
I miss Arya. She will live in my heart.
I miss Arya ما زه Arya یادوم miss کومه She will live in my heart هغه به زما په زړه کې اوسیږي heart ویل کېږي زړه ته
Guys, that killer will kill us as well.
Guys, that killer will kill us as well هغه وژونکی به موږ هم وژني
He kills beautiful girls. First he killed Rose, then he killed Jenny.
He kills beautiful girls هغه ښایسته جنکیانې وژني beautiful ویل کېږي ښایسته ته First he killed Rose لومړی هغه روز وژله Then he killed Jeannie. بیا هغه جینی ووژله.
And now, she killed Arya. We also won the beauty competition.
And now also she killed Arya. هغه Arya ووژله. We also won the beauty competition. مونږ هم دغه د ښایست مقابله ګټلې وه. Competition ویل کېږي مقابلې ته او beauty ویل کېږي ښایست ته.
She is right, guys. Arya was the first winner.
She is right, guys. هغه بالکل صحیح ده. Arya was the first winner. Arya لومړنۍ ګټونکې وه.
I am the second winner. That's me.
I am the second winner. زه دویم ګټونکی یم. That's mean. دې مطلب دا دی.
You are his next target.
You are his next target. ته د هغه راتلونکی ټارګټ د هغه ته یې.
No. I don't want to die.
No. I don't want to die. زه نه غواړم چې مړه شمه. die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل.
I am with you. We have to be brave.
I am with you guys. زه له تاسو سره یم جنکیانو. We have to be brave. موږ باید زړور اوسو. brave ویل کېږي زړور ته.
Yes. He can't hurt us. We have to make a plan.
Yes, he can't hurt us. هغه نشي کولی چې موږ ته زیان ورسوي. We have to make a plan. موږ باید یو هدف جوړ کړو. plan ویل کېږي یو هدف.
We will reveal his face.
We will reveal his face. موږ باید د هغه مخ ښکاره کړو. reveal ویل کېږي ښکاره کول، ظاهره کول.
For sure. We can protect ourselves.
For sure. یقینا we can protect ourselves. موږ خپل ځانونه ساتلی شو. protect ویل کېږي ساتلو ته.
See you guys tomorrow. Help me, God. That killer is coming here.
Help me, God. کومک وکړه زما خدایه. That killer is coming here. هغه وژونکی دلته راځي. killer ویل کېږي قاتل ته، وژونکي ته.
This is not my mobile phone.
This is not my mobile phone. دا زما موبایل نه دی.
What are you saying? Whose is this?
What are you saying? دا ته څه وایې؟ Whose is this? دا د چا دی؟
This is Cora's mobile phone. I think we switched our phones.
This is Cora's mobile phones. دا د کورا موبایل دی. I think زما په فکر we switch our phone. موږ خپل موبایل نه بند کړی وو.
Tony, can we go back?
Tony, can we go back? آیا موږ کولی شو چې بیرته لاړ شو؟
Yeah, sure. We are not very far from Cora's home.
Yeah, sure. هو یقینا. We are not very far. موږ دومره لرې نه یو from Cora's home. د کورا له کور څخه. far ویل کېږي لرې ته.
Thanks, Tony. You are the best.
Thanks, Tony. مننه Tony. You are the best. ته ډېر ښه یې.
I hope he did not see me.
I hope he did not see me. زه امید لرم چې زه به هغه نه وم لیدلی.
Oh God, save me. How can I save my life?
Oh God, save me. یا الله زما کومک وکړې. How can I save my life? څنګه زه کولی شم چې خپل ژوند بچ کړمه. life ویل کېږي ژوند ته.
No. Please don't kill me. Help me.
No. Please don't kill me. مهرباني وکړه ما مه وژنه. kill ویل کېږي وژلو ته. help me زما کومک وکړه.
Cora. It's me, Tony. Open the door.
Cora, it's me, Tony. Cora, دا زه ټوني یم. Open the door. دروازه خلاصه کړه.
Tony, help me. Save my life.
Tony, help me. Tony زما کومک وکا. Save my life. زما ژوند بچ کا.
Guys, the door is open. Let's go inside.
Guys, the door is open. دروازه خلاصه ده. Let's go inside. راځئ چې دننه لاړ شو. Inside ویل کیږي دننه.
Cora.
She was screaming. What happened here?
She was screaming. هغې چیغې وهلې. Screaming ویل کیږي په زوره چیغې وهل. What happened here? دلته څه واقع شوله؟
Cora, open your eyes. Cora, can you hear me?
Cora, open your eyes. سترګې دې خلاصې که Cora. Can you hear me? آیا ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟
Tony, thank God you came here.
Tony, thank God you came here. ډېره مننه چې ته دلته راغلې.
Cora, what happened to you? Are you okay?
Cora, what happened to you? په تا باندې څه واقع شول؟ Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
He was here, guys. That killer came in my house.
He was here, guys. هغه دلته و ملګرو. That killer came in my house. هغه وژونکی دلته زما کور ته راغلی و.
He was about to kill me. I was so scared.
He was about to kill me. هغه زه وژلم. یعنی مطلب وژلی مې. I was so scared. زه ډېره ډاره شوی وم. Scare ویل کېږي ډارېدل.
He had sharp knives.
He had sharp knives. هغه تیره چاقوګان درلودل. Sharp ویل کېږي تیره ته او knives ویل کېږي چاقوګان.
Who was? Did you see his face?
Who was he? هغه څوک و? Did you see his face? آیا تا د هغه مخ ولیده؟
No. He was wearing a mask. I could not see his face.
No, nah. He was wearing a mask. هغه یو ماسک اغوستی و. I could not see his face. ما ونش کولی چې د هغه مخ ووینم.
Guys, we have to be alert. He can come again.
Guys, we have to be alert. ملګرو موږ باید alert وشو یعنې خبردار وشو. alert ویل کېږي خبرداري ته. He can come again. هغه کولی چې دوباره راشي.
He is really dangerous. He will not give up.
He is really dangerous. هغه ډیر خطرناک دی. Dangerous ویل کېږي خطرناک ده. He will not give up. هغه به خپل همت له لاسه نه ورکوي. دی مطلب دی څه دی؟ یعنې بیا به راځي.
She is right, guys. He was about to kill her.
She is right, guys. ملګرو هغه بالکل صحیح ده. He was about to kill her. بس هغه وژلی نو.
We are here with you. Don't panic.
We are here with you. موږ دلته یو له تا سره. Don't panic. ډارېږه مه. Panic ویل کېږي ډارېدل.
Cora, you should go to the police station.
Cora, you should go to the police station. Cora, ته باید پولیس سټیشن ته لاړه شي.
You need police security. We have to be alert.
You need police security. ته پولیس سکیورټي ته ضرورت لري. We have to be alert. موږ باید خبردار اوسو.
She is right.
She is right. هغه بالکل صحیح ده.
I wish Arya were here.
I wish Arya were here. زه کاشکې چې آریا دلته وای.
Hey guys. What's up?
Hey guys. Hey ملګرو. What's up? څنګه یاست یعنی څه روان دي؟
Hi Jacob. How are you?
Hi Jacob. سلام Jacob. How are you? تو څنګه یې؟
I am good. What happened? Everyone is sad.
I am good. زه ښه یم. What happened? څه واقع شول؟ Everyone is sad. هر یو خفه دی.
Jacob. Arya is no more.
Jacob. Arya is no more. Arya نوره نشته یعنی مړه شوله دی مطلب دی څه دی؟
That killer killed Arya last night.
That killer killed Arya last night. هغه وژونکی یعنی هغه قاتل آریا تېره شپه ووژله. Last night ویل کېږي تېرې شپې ته.
What? This cannot be happening. Arya. Our Arya.
What? So this cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. Arya. Our Arya. مطلب یعنی زمونږ آریا.
This is the truth. We have lost our friend.
This is the truth. دا رښتیا دی. truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته. We have lost our friend. موږ خپل ملګری له لاسه ورکړی دی.
And that killer also wanted to kill.
That killer also wanted to kill me. هغه قاتل همدارنګه غوښتل چې ما هم وژني.
Kill me.
What? Did he try to kill?
Worse, did he try to kill you? آیا هغه کوشش وکړ چې تا مړه کړي؟
Kill you?
Yes. He tried to kill me. Luckily, my friends came back. He ran.
Yes, he tried to kill me. هغه کوشش وکړ چې ما ووژني. Luckily په خوشبختۍ سره مطلب په خوشبختۍ سره my friends came back. زما ملګري بیرته راغلل. He ran away. او هغه منډه کړه وتښتېده.
Away.
Thank God. You saved. He is really dangerous.
Thank God. شکر الله. You saved. چې تاسو مطلب محفوظه وو. محفوظه یې. He is really dangerous. هغه ډېر خطرناک دی.
Dangerous.
Jacob. We are going to the police station. Will you come?
Jacob, we are going to the police station. موږ police station ته ځو. یعنی تانې ته ځو. Will you come with us? آیا ته به موږ سره راشې؟
With us?
No. I don't like police station. I am scared.
No, I don't like police station. ما ته تانه خوند نه راکوي. Police station. I am scared now. زه اوس ډار شوی یم.
Scared now.
Be brave. We will
Be brave. زړور اوسه. Brave ویل کېږي زړور ته. We will come soon. موږ بیرته زر راځو.
come soon.
What? He tried to kill you.
What, sir? He tried to kill you. هغه کوشش وکړ چې تاسو ووژني.
Yes. He was in front of me. You have to protect me.
Yes, he was in front of me. هغه زما مخې ته و. You have to protect me. تاسو باید ما وساتئ. محفوظم که یا protect ویل کېږي ساتلو ته.
Did you see his face?
Did you see his face? آیا تاسو د هغه مخ ولیده؟
No. He was wearing a black mask. I could not see his face.
No, he was wearing a black mask. هغه تور ماسک اغوستی و. I could not see his face. ما ونش کولی چې د هغه مخ ووینم.
We all are in big trouble. We need private security.
We all are in big trouble. موږ ټول په یو غټ مشکل کې یو. Big ویل کېږي غټ ته او trouble ویل کېږي مشکل ته. We need private security. موږ private security ته ضرورت لرو.
He can kill us at any time.
He can kill us at any time. هغه کولی شي چې موږ ووژني په هر وخت کې.
We will protect you. That's why we are here.
We will protect you. موږ به تاسو ساتو. محفظه کوم به. That's why we are here. نو ځکه موږ دلته یو.
Our security guards will protect you. Nobody can enter in your house without investigation.
Our security guards will protect you. زموږ security ساتونکي یعنی guards چې دی هغه به تاسو ساتي. Nobody can enter in your house. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې ستاسو کور ته داخل شي. Without investigation. بغیر د څارنې نه. Investigation ویل کېږي څارنه.
Thanks, officer. Please find that killer as soon as possible.
Thanks, officer. مننه officer. Please find that killer. مهرباني وکړه هغه وژونکی یعنی قاتل پیدا کړه. As soon as possible. څومره چې ژر وي او امکان لري.
Don't sweat it. We will find him soon.
Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږئ مه. We will find him soon. موږ به هغه ډېر ژر پیدا کړو.
What did the police say?
What did the police say? پولیس څه وویلې؟
Police provided us private security. All girls are safe in their houses.
Police provided us private security. پولیس موږ ته private security وړاندې کړه یعنې رای کړه. All girls are safe in their houses. ټول جنکیان چې دی هغه محفوظه دي په خپلو کورونو کې.
Yes. That killer cannot enter in our houses now.
Yes, that killer cannot enter in our houses now. هغه وژونکی اوس نشي کولی چې زموږ کورونو ته داخل شي.
That's good. Guys. Our college is organizing a masked party tonight.
That's good. دا خو ډیره ښه ده. Guys, ملګرو, our college is organizing زمونږ لیسه چې ده هغه تنظیموي organize کوي a mask party tonight. یو د mask party نن شپې ته. tonight ولې کېږي نن شپې ته.
Why is that?
Why is that? هغه ولې.
This party is for you. You won the beauty competition.
This party is for you. دا پارټي ستاسو لپاره ده. You won the beauty competition. تاسو د ښایست مقابله ګټلې وه. competition ویل کېږي مقابلې ته.
That's mean. We have to attend this party.
That's mean. دې مطلب نو دا دی. We have to attend this party. چې موږ باید دې پارټي ته راشو یعنی attend وکړو.
Everyone will wear a mask.
Everyone will wear a mask. هر یو به ماسک اغوندي.
In my opinion, we should attend this party. You girls need to cheer up.
In my opinion, زما په نظر باندې opinion ویل کېږي نظر ته. We should attend. موږ باید attend وکړو. This party دغه پارټي ته مطلب موږ باید لاړ شو. You girls need to cheer up. تاسو جنکیان باید خوشاله شئ.
Tony is right. Forget about the killer. We have to live our life.
Tony is right. Tony بالکل صحیح دی. Forget about the killer. دغه قاتل باره کې نور هیر کیا. Forget ویل کېږي هیرول. We have to live our life. موږ باید خپل ژوند تیر کو.
You are right. Let's get ready for the mask party.
You are right. بالکل صحیح ہے. Let's get ready. راځي چې تیار شو for the mask party. د mask party لپاره.
What a party! I love this mask theme.
What a party! Dance party day. I love this mask theme. دغه د mask موضوع چې د ما د ډیره خوند راکوي.
We also love it. You are looking handsome.
We also love it. موږ ته هم د دې ډیر خوند راکو. You are looking handsome. ته ډیر ښایسته ښکارې. handsome ویل کېږي ښایسته او دا استعمالیږي د نارینه‌و لپاره.
You are looking gorgeous as well. Everyone is looking phenomenal.
You are looking gorgeous as well. تاسو هم ډیر ښایسته ښکاري. gorgeous ویل کېږي ډیر زیات ښایسته. Everyone is looking phenomenal. هر یو ډیر په زړه پورې ښکاري. phenomenal ویل کېږي په زړه پورې اعلی.
Look at Jacob. He seems
Look at Jacob. Jacob ته وګورئ. He seems happy. هغه ډیر خوشاله ښکاري.
happy.
We should celebrate this night. Let's dance.
Guys, ملګرو, we should celebrate this night. موږ باید دغه شپه ولمانځو. Celebrate ویل کېږي لمانځلو ته. Let's dance. راځئ چې وګډېږو.
Yeah, sure.
Hello. Hello. Who is calling?
Hello, who is calling? څوک زنګ وهي?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟
Hello. Who are you? Why are not you saying something?
Hello, salam. Who are you? څوک ته? Why are you not saying something? ته ولې هیڅ هم نه وایې؟
I am going to hang up. Who are you?
I am going to hang up. زه بندوم. Who are you? څوک ته؟
No, no. Who are you?
No, 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 no. Who are you? څوک ته؟
Please don't kill me. I am innocent.
Please don't kill me. مهرباني وکړه ما مه وژنه. I am innocent. زه بې ګناه یم. innocent ویل کېږي معصوم ته بې ګناه ته.
Please let me go. Please don't kill me.
Please let me go. مهرباني وکړه ما پرېږده چې لاړه شم. Please don't kill me. مهرباني وکړه ما مه وژنه.
Was that Cora's scream?
Was that Cora's scream? آیا هغه د کورا چیغه وه؟
Cora, we are coming.
Cora, we are coming. Cora, موږ در روان یو.
No, no. Cora. You can't leave us.
No, you can't leave us. ته نشې کولی چې موږ پرېږدې.
Cora, my bestie.
Cora, my bestie. Cora زما ښې ملګرې. bestie ویل کېږي چې کله یوه جنکۍ د بل جنکۍ ډېره زیاته او ښه ملګرې وي نو هغه لپاره موږ bestie استعمالو.
Guys, Cora is no more. She left us.
Guys, ملګرو, Cora is no more. Cora نوره نشته یعنې مړه شوله. She left us. هغې موږ پرېښودلو.
We have lost Cora. She is no more.
We have lost Cora. مونږ کورا له لاسه ورکړې ده. She is no more. هغه نوره نشته یعنې مړه شوله.
Cora, open your eyes. Cora, you can't leave us.
Cora, open your eyes. Cora, سترګې دې خلاصې که. Cora, you can't leave us. ته نشې کولی چې مونږ پرېږدې. leave ویل کېږي پرېښودلو ته.
Tony, pull yourself together. She has passed away.
Tony, pull yourself together. Tony, خپل ځان دې سنبال که. She has passed away. هغه مړه شوې ده. ملګرو pass away ویل کېږي مړ کېدلو ته.
We have lost our 2 friends in 2 days.
We have lost our 2 friends. مونږ خپل 2 ملګري له لاسه ورکړي دي in 2 days په 2 ورځو کې.
Why is this happening to us? Oh God, help us.
Why is this happening to us? دا ولې موږ سره داسې واقع کېږي. Oh God, help us. یا الله زموږ کومک وکړي.
We should call the police.
We should call the police. موږ باید پولیس ته زنګ ووهو.
Hello, Jenny speaking.
Hello, salam. Jenny speaking. Jenny خبرې کوم.
Hello, officer. That killer killed Cora. He has killed our friend.
Hello, officer. Salam, officer. That killer killed Cora. هغه وژونکی یعنې قاتل کورا ووژله. ملګرو killer ویل کېږي قاتل ته وژونکي ته. He has killed our friend. هغه زموږ ملګری ووژله.
I am coming.
I am coming. زه در روان یم.
How did this happen? Where were you?
How did this happen? دا څنګه واقع شول? Where were you? تاسو چیرته ویا؟
We were inside. We were dancing.
We were inside. مونږ دننه وو. We were dancing. مونږ dance کو یعنې ګډېدلو. ملګرو inside ویل کېږي دننه.
We did not notice when she left the party.
We did not notice. مونږ هیڅ نوټیس ونه کړ when she left the party چې کله هغې دا پارټي پرېښودله.
We heard her screams.
We heard her screams. مونږ د هغې چیغې واورېدلې. screams ویل کېږي چیغو ته.
Elizabeth, what were you doing?
Elizabeth دا د جینۍ نوم ده ښه. What were you doing? تاسو کوله.
I was also dancing. Why are you asking so many questions?
I was also dancing. ما هم dance کوو. یعنې ګډېدلمه. Why are you asking so many questions? ته ولې دومره پوښتنې کوې؟
It's my duty. I want to find the killer.
It's my duty. دا زما وظیفه ده. duty ویل کېږي وظیفې ته. I want to find the killer. زه غواړم چې قاتل پیدا کړم.
Then find him. You could not do anything. He killed 2 more girls.
Then find him. نو بیا هغه پیدا که. You could not do anything. ته هیڅ هم ونشو کولی. He killed 2 more girls. هغه 2 نور جنکیانې هم ووژلې.
You are just wasting your time.
You are just wasting your time. ته بس خپل وخت ضایع کوي دلته.
You can't talk to me like this. I am a police officer.
You can't talk to me like this. ته نشې کولی چې له ما سره داسې خبرې وکړې. talk ویل کېږي خبرې کولو ته. I am a police officer. زه یو police officer یم.
We are in big trouble. He can kill us at any time.
We are in big trouble. موږ په یو غټ مشکل کې یو. big trouble ویل کېږي غټ مشکل ده. He can kill us at any time. هغه کولی شي چې موږ په هر وخت کې ووژني.
I know he will kill us as well. You will not be able to do anything.
I know زه پوهېږم he will kill us as well چې هغه به موږ هم ووژني. You will not be able to do anything. ته به دې قابل نشي چې ته یو څه وکې.
I know my duty. I will find him soon. He can't hurt you.
I know my duty. زه خپله وظیفه باندې پیږم. I will find him soon. زه به هغه ډېر ژر پیدا کړم. He can't hurt you. هغه نشي کولی تا ته زیان ورسوي. hurt ویل کېږي چا ته زیان رسول.
How can you say this? He can do anything. He is a serial killer.
How can you say this? ته څنګه کولی شي چې داسې ووایي. He can do anything. هغه هر څه کولی شي. He is a serial killer. هغه یو قاتل ده. serial killer ویل کېږي ملګرو یو داسې قاتل یا داسې وژونکي ته چې هغه ډېر مرګونه کړي وي د هغه لپاره بیا موږ serial killer استعمال وسي.
Please find that killer. I can't lose my friend.
Please find that killer. مهرباني وکړه هغه قاتل پیدا کړه. I can't lose my friend. زه نشم کولی چې خپل ملګري لاس ورکړم.
We are still in shock.
We are still in shock. موږ لا تر اوسه پورې په حیرانتیا کې یو.
You have to stay in your houses. I will give you more security guards.
You have to stay in your houses. تاسو باید په خپل کورونو کې پاتې شئ. I will give you more security guards. زه به تاسو ته نور security guards به هم نور درکړم.
We will catch him this time. I will not let him kill one more girl.
We will catch him this time. موږ به بس دا ځل هغه نیسو. catch ویل کېږي یو څوک نیوله. I will not let him kill one more girl. زه به هغه پرې نږدم چې نور جنکیان یې ووژني.
Thanks, officer.
We have to do something. Police can't protect us.
We have to do something. موږ باید یو څه وکړو. Police can't protect us. پولیس نشي کولی چې موږ وساتي یعنې protect کړي د موږ حفاظت وکړي.
Yes.
She is right, guys. Police could not save our friend.
She is right, guys. ملګرو هغه بالکل صحیح ده. Police could not save our friends. پولیس ونشي کولی چې زموږ ملګري وژغوري یعنې بچي کړي.
What can we do? He knows everything about us.
What can we do? موږ څه کولی شو. He knows everything about us. هغه زموږ باره کې په هر څه پوهیږي.
He knew about this party. He is from our
He knew about this party. هغه د پارټي باره کې پوهیده. He is from our college. هغه زموږ د کالج هغه زموږ د لیسې څخه کوم یو ده.
College.
Who is he? There are a lot of students in our college.
Who is he? هغه څوک دی نو. There are a lot of students in our college. زموږ په لیسه کې خو ډیر زیات شاګردان دي یعنې زده کوونکي دي.
College.
I am the third winner. I am his next target.
I am the third winner. زه دریم ګټونکی یم. وینر ویل کېږي ګټونکی ده. I am his next target. زه د هغه راتلونکی ټارګټ زه یم هدف یې. ټارګټ ویل کېږي هدف ته.
Target.
No way. He can't hurt you. I can't lose.
No way. هیڅ کله هم نه. He can't hurt you. هغه نشي کولی چې تا ته زیان ورسوي. I can't lose you. زه نشم کولی چې تا له لاسه ورکړم.
Lose you.
Elizabeth will stay with you. We have to be.
Elizabeth will stay with you. Elizabeth به له تا سره پاتې کېږي. We have to be brave. موږ باید زړور اوسو. Brave ویل کېږي زړور ته.
Brave.
Thanks. I will not
Thanks. مننه. I will not sleep. زه به ویده نشم.
sleep.
I am with you. We have security.
I am with you. زه له تا سره یم. We have security guards. موږ security لرو.
Guards. Come on. We are
Come on, راځه. We are leaving. موږ ځو.
leaving.
Okay, boys.
Okay, boys. Good night. ښه شپه ولرئ.
Good night.
Are you
feeling better now? آیا ته اوس ښه احساس کوې؟
better now?
Yes. Thanks for
Yes, ho. Thanks for staying here. مننه چې دلته پاتې شولې.
staying here.
Everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine. هر څه به ټیک شي. We are brave girls. موږ زړور جنکیان یو.
Brave girls. It had a worse day for us.
Let's sleep. راځه چې ویدو شو. It had a worse day for us. دا زموږ لپاره یو بیکاره ورځ وه.
Okay, good night.
Okay, good night. صحیح ده. ښه شپه ولرئ.
Hello, Jacob. Good morning.
Hello, Jacob. Salam, Jacob. Good morning. Sahar pakhair.
Good morning. I need your help.
Good morning. Sahar pakhair. I need your help. Zista komak ta zarurat laram.
Yes, Jacob. What can I do for you? Is everything alright?
Yes, Jacob. Ho, Jacob. What can I do for you? Zista la par su kawalai shama. Is everything alright? Aya har su tik di?
I need my civics book. I left it at Tony's home last night.
I need my civics book. زه د civic کتابون ته ضرورت لرم. دا یو مضمون ده. I left it at Tony's home last night. ما هغه د ټوني په کور کې تیر شپه پریښی وو.
Can you please bring my book from Tony's home?
Can you please bring my book? آیا ته کولی شې چې زما کتابونه راوړې from Tony's home د ټوني له کور څخه؟
Yeah, sure. I will take it on my way.
Yeah, sure. I will take it on my way. بس چې په لار درځم ځان سره به یې دروړم.
See you.
Who were you talking to?
Who were you talking to? ته له چا سره خبرې کولې؟
Jacob was on the phone. He wants me to bring his book from Tony's home.
Jacob was on the phone. Jacob په موبایل باندې و. He wants me to bring his book from Tony's home. هغه غواړي چې زه کتابونه د ټوني له کور څخه راوړم هغه ته.
Home.
All right. I am going to college. See you there.
All right. بالکل صحیح ده. I'm going to college. زه کالج ته ځم. See you there. هلته به ګورو.
See you. Take care.
See you. ګورو به. Take care. خیال دې ساته.
Hi, Tony. How is it going?
Hi, Tony. Salam, Tony. How is it going? څنګه یې؟
Hey, Elizabeth. What are you doing here?
Hi, Elizabeth. What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
I came here to take Jacob's book.
I came here to take Jacob's book. زه دلته راغلی وم چې د جیکب کتابونه ویسم.
I remember now. He put it in that drawer.
I remember now. زما یاد شو. Remember ولکېږي یادولو ته. He put it in that drawer. هغه په دخل کې ایښی و.
It is raining cats and dogs. You should wait here.
It's raining cats and dogs. ملګرو دې جملې مطلب دا دی چې باران ډېر تیز وریږي. ښه دا مطلب دی. دا یو phrase ده چې باران ډېر تیز وریږي. You should wait here. ته باید دلته انتظار وکړې.
I will also go to college. We will go together.
I will also go to college. زه به هم کالج ته لاړ شم. We will go together. موږ به یو ځای لاړ شو. Together ول کېږي یو ځای ته.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. مطلب ښه خبر دې وکړه.
I will bring coffee for you.
I will bring coffee for you. زه به ستا لپاره یو کافي راوړم.
So sweet of you. It is so relaxing here.
It's so relaxing here. دلته خو ډېر د آرام وړ ده دلته. Relaxing ول کېږي یو ځای چې ډېر د آرام وړ وي. See
Tony. Where did he put his book?
Tony, where did he put his book? هغه خپل کتابونه چیرته ایښوله؟
He put his book in the brown dresser.
He put his book in the brown dresser. هغه خپل کتابونه په دغه خړ وړوکي باندې دخل کې ایښي وو.
Okay. I will take it.
Okay, صحیح ده. I will take it. زه به یې راواخلم.
Did you find his book?
Did you find his book? آیا تا د هغه کتاب پیدا کړ؟
That's mean. Tony is the killer.
That's mean. دې مطلب نو دا دی Tony is the killer. Tony قاتل دی.
Tony killed his love.
Tony killed his love. Tony خپل مینه ووژله.
Your coffee is ready.
Your coffee is ready. ستا کافي چې دا هغه تیاره ده.
Thanks. I have to go. I found Jacob's book.
Thanks مننه. I have to go. زه باید لاړ شم. I found Jacob's book. ما د جیکب کتاب پیدا کړ.
Book.
We will go together. Have some coffee with me.
We will go together. موږ به یو ځای لاړ شو. Have some coffee with me. یو ما سره یو څه کافي یعنې قهوه را سره وچښلې.
No thanks. I just remembered. I have an urgent work.
No thanks نه مننه. I just remember بس ما ته همدا اوس یاد شو. I have an urgent work. زه یو ډېر ضروري کار لرم. Urgent work ویل کېږي ضروري کار ته.
What happened? Are you okay?
What happened? څه واقع شول? Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
Hey?
Yes. I am fine. See you.
Yes, ho, I am fine. زه ټیک یم. See you. ګورو به.
All right. As you want.
All right. بالکل صحیح ده. As you want. څنګه چې ته غواړې.
Tony is the killer. How could he do this?
Tony is the killer. Tony قاتل دی. How could he do this? هغه څنګه کولی شو چې داسې وکړي.
He is killing the girls. Why is he doing this?
He is killing the girls. هغه جنکیانې وژني. Why is he doing this? هغه ولې داسې کوي.
What should I do? He can kill me as well.
What should I do? زه باید څه وکړم. He can kill me as well. هغه ما هم وژلی شي.
I have to talk to my friends.
I have to talk to my friends. زه به د خپل ملګرو سره خبرې وکړم.
Guys, I need to tell you something.
Guys, ملګرو, I need to tell you something. زه باید تاسو ته یو څه ووایم.
Calm down. Why are you so worried?
Calm down. خاموشه شه. Why are you so worried? ته ولې دومره پریشانه ولې یې؟
Is everything okay? What happened?
Is everything okay? آیا هر څه ټیک دی؟ What happened? څه واقع شول؟
Guys, I found the killer.
Guys, ملګرو, I found the killer. ما وژونکی یعنې قاتل مې پیدا کړ.
What? Do you know him?
What, sir? Do you know him? آیا ته هغه پیژنې؟
We all know him. He was in front of our eyes.
We all know him. موږ ټول هغه پیژنو. He was in front of our eyes. هغه زموږ د سترګو ته مخامخ و.
We just could not recognize him.
We just could not recognize him. بس موږ یوازې هغه ونه پیژنده. موږ ونه شو کولی چې هغه وپیژنو. Recognize ویل کېږي پیژندل ته.
Who is he? What's his name?
Who is he? هغه څوک دی. What's his name? د هغه نوم څه شی دی.
Tony. Tony is the killer. He is killing the girls.
Tony is the killer. Tony قاتل دی. He is killing the girls. هغه جنکیانې وژني.
What? Tony is the killer.
What, sir? Tony is the killer. Tony قاتل دی.
How is this possible? How can he kill his own love?
How is this possible? دا څنګه ممکن دی. How can he kill his own love? هغه څنګه کولی شي چې خپله مینه مړه کړي یعنې ووژني.
He is the killer. I saw a sharp knife in his home.
He is the killer. هغه وژونکی یعنې قاتل دی. I saw a sharp knife. ما یوه تیره چاقو ولیدله in his home د هغه په کور کې. knife ویل کېږي چاقو ته او sharp ویل کېږي تیره.
There was blood on it. Police found that knife at Aria's home.
There was a blood on it. په هغه باندې وینه وه. blood ویل کېږي وینه. Police found that knife. پولیس پیدا کړې وه هغه چاقو at Aria's home د ایریا په کور کې.
I can't believe it. Our Tony is the killer.
I can't believe it. زه یقین نشم کولی. believe ویل کېږي یقین کولو ته. Our Tony is the killer. زموږ ټوني قاتل دی.
We have to go to the police station. He can kill us.
We have to go to the police station. موږ باید police station ته لاړ شو. He can kill us. هغه کولی شي چې موږ ووژني.
He can't kill you.
He can't kill you. هغه نشي کولی چې تاسو وژني.
He can't kill us. We have security guards.
He can't kill us. هغه نشي کولی چې موږ ووژني. We have security guards. موږ د حفاظت ساتونکي لرو. security guards ویل کېږي د حفاظت ساتونکي.
We have to be brave guys. Cheer up.
We have to be brave guys. موږ باید زړور اوسو ملګریو. brave ویل کېږي زړور ته. cheer up خوشحاله شي.
Yes. We are brave. He can't hurt us now.
Yes ho, we are brave. موږ زړور یو. He can't hurt us now. هغه نشي کولی چې موږ ته و زیان ورسوي. hurt ویل کېږي زیان رسول.
What were you talking about?
What were you talking about? تاسو د څه باره کې خبرې کولې؟
We were talking about that killer. I hope police will arrest him soon.
We were talking about that killer. موږ د هغه قاتل باره کې خبرې کولې. killer ویل کېږي قاتل ته، وژونکي ته. I hope زه امید لرم police will arrest him soon چې پولیس به هغه ډیر ژر په حراست کې ونیسي. arrest ویل کېږي یو څوک په حراست کې نیول.
I hope so.
I hope so. زه هم امید لرم.
Let's go, guys. We have to complete our assignment.
Let's go, guys. راځئ چې لاړ شو ملګرو. We have to complete our assignment. موږ باید خپل کورنۍ دنده مکمله کو. assignment ویل کېږي کورنۍ کار یا کورنۍ دنده چې د استاد لخوا ورکول شوې وي.
What are you saying?
What are you saying? دا تاسو څه وایه؟
What happened to them? Why are they ignoring me?
What happened to them? په دوی باندې څه واقع شول؟ Why are they ignoring me? دوی ولې ما نظر انداز کوي؟ ignore ویل کېږي ملګرو یو څوک نظر انداز کول.
Where are we going, guys?
Where are we going, guys? موږ چیرته روان یو ملګرو؟
We are going to the police station.
We are going to the police station. موږ پولیس سټیشن ته روان یو، یعنی تانې ته روان یو.
Are we going to complain about Tony?
Are we going to complain about Tony? آیا موږ به د ټوني باره کې شکایت کوو؟ complain ویل کېږي شکایت کول.
Yes. We have to do this. Tony can kill you.
Yes ho, we have to do this. موږ باید دا وکړو. Tony can kill you. ټوني کولی شي چې تا ووژني.
I hope police will search that knife in his house.
I hope زه امید لرم police will search that knife in his house چې پولیس به هغه چاقو د هغه په کور کې پیدا کړي. knife ویل کېږي چاقو ته.
Don't worry. Tony's game is over.
Don't worry. پریشانه کېږئ مه. Tony's game is over. د ټوني گیم ختم دی.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? تاسو دلته څه کوئ؟
We found the killer.
We found the killer. موږ قاتل پیدا کړ.
Really? That's great. Who is he?
Really? په حقیقت سره that's great. دا خو ډیره ښه ده. Who is he? هغه څوک دی؟
Tony. Tony is the killer.
Tony is the killer. Tony قاتل دی.
Are you talking about your friend Tony?
Are you talking about your friend Tony? آیا تاسو د خپل ملګري ټوني باره کې خبرې کوئ؟
Yes. He is the killer.
Yes ho, he is the killer. هغه قاتل دی.
I found a sharp knife in his house. There was blood on it.
I found a sharp knife. ما یو تیره چاقو پیدا کړه. In his house د هغه په کور کې. There was blood on it. په هغه باندې وینه وه. blood ویل کېږي وینې ته.
I want to see that knife.
I want to see that knife. زه غواړم چې هغه چاقو وینم.
Yeah, sure. We have to go Tony's home.
Yeah, sure. هو یقینا. We have to go Tony's home. موږ باید د ټوني کور ته لاړ شو.
I have to finish this chapter.
I have to finish this chapter. زه باید دغه پاڼه نوره ختمه کړم.
I saw a knife in that brown dresser.
I saw a knife. ما یو چاقو ولیدله in that brown dresser په هغه خړ دخل کې.
Let me check here.
Let me check here. اجازه راکړئ چې هغه زه وګورم.
Here it is. I told you Tony is the killer.
Here it is. دا دی. I told you ما تا ته وویلې Tony is the killer چې ټوني قاتل دی.
This is the same knife that I found at areas.
This is the same knife. دا هماغه یو شان چاقو ده. That I found چې هغه ما پیدا کړې وه at areas home د area په کور کې.
Home. You know the killer. You must arrest him. I don't want to.
You know the killer. تاسو هغه قاتل پیژنئ یا You must arrest him. تاسو باید هغه ونیسئ یا I don't want to die. زه نه غواړم چې مړه شم. Die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل.
Die.
Yes. Arrest Tony. You have proof now.
Yes, ho, arrest Tony. Tony ونیسئ یا You have proof now. تاسو اوس ثبوت لرئ یا Proof ویل کېږي ثبوت ته.
Now.
You have to save us. He wants to kill.
You have to save us. تاسو باید موږ وژغورئ یا He wants to kill us. هغه غواړي چې موږ ووژني.
us.
Don't sweat it. I have proof. I will arrest
Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږي ما. I have proof. زه ثبوت لرم. I will arrest Tony. زه به ټوني په حراست کې ونیسم.
Tony.
He should be hanged.
What's going on
What's going on here? له څه روان دي؟
here?
Put your hands
Put your hands up. خپل لاسونه دې اوچت کا.
up.
Why? What's going
Why ولې؟ What's going on here? له څه روان دي؟
on here?
We have known about
We have known about you. موږ ستا باره کې پوه شوي یو.
you.
You killed Arya and
You killed Arya and Cora. تا Arya او Cora وژلې ده.
Cora.
How could you do this? You are the
How could you do this? تا څنګه کولی شو تاسې وکړې؟ You are the killer. ته قاتل یې.
killer.
Have you lost your
Have you lost your mind? آیا تاسو خپل دماغ له لاسه ورکړی دی؟ Mind ویل کېږي دماغو ته.
mind? Why would I kill my
Why would I kill my own love? ما به خپله مینه ولې وژله؟
own love?
We found this sharp knife in
We found this sharp knife in your home. موږ دغه تیره چاقو ستا کور کې پیدا کړه.
your home. How did this knife
How did this knife come here? دغه چاقو دلته څنګه راغله؟
come here?
It does not belong to me. I swear I have not seen
It does not belong to me. دا ما سره کوم تړاو نه لري. I swear زه قسم خورم. I have not seen it before. چې دا ما مخکې نه ده لیدلې.
it before.
I found this here. You have to
I found this here. ما دا دلته پیدا کړه. You have to come with me. ته باید له ما سره لاړ شي.
come with me.
Yes, officer. Take him to the
Yes, officer. Who officer? I take him to the police station. هغه تاڼې ته بوزه.
police station.
He cannot be our friend.
He cannot be our friend. هغه زموږ ملګری نشي کېدلی. He is the killer. هغه قاتل دی.
He is the killer.
Why did you kill my friends? We want to
Why did you kill my friends? تا ولې زموږ ملګري وژله؟ We want to know the reason. موږ غواړو چې په دې وجه باندې پوه شو څه وجه وه. Reason ویل کېږي وجې ته.
know the reason.
You are under arrest. I am
You are under arrest. ته په حراست کې اوس یې. I am taking you in. زه تا دننه کوم.
taking you in.
No. You can't do this to me.
No, you can't do this to me. ته داسې له ما سره نشي کولی. I'm innocent. زه معصوم یم. بېګناه یم. Innocent ویل کېږي معصوم ته بېګناه ته.
I am innocent.
You are under arrest.
Listen to me. I did not
Listen to me. ما ته غوږ ونیسئ. I did not kill anybody. ما هیڅوک هم نه دي وژلي.
kill anybody.
You have the right
You have the right. ته حق لري to remain silent. چې خاموشه پاتې شي.
to remain silent.
You have
You have got the wrong guy. تاسو غلط حالک نیولی دی.
got the wrong guy. Get me out of here.
Get me out of here. له دې ځای څخه مې وباسه. I'm innocent. زه معصوم یم. بېګناه یم.
I am innocent.
Shut up.
Shut up. چوپ شه. We will decide. موږ به فیصله وکړو. Decide ویل کېږي فیصله کول.
We will decide.
Where is Ashley? Ashley چیرته ده؟
Where is Ashley?
She has gone.
She has gone. هغه تللې ده. She was tired. هغه ستړې وه.
She was tired.
Thank God police caught the killer.
She was really scared. هغه ډیره ډاره شوې وه. Scared ویل کېږي ډارېدل. Thank God شکر الله police caught the killer. چې پولیس هغه قاتل ونیو.
Yes. I am also feeling good. We are safe now.
Yes, I am also feeling good. زه هم ښه احساس کوم. We are safe now. موږ اوس محفوظه یو.
The rain stopped. I should go now.
The rain stopped. باران ودرېد. I should go now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم.
Wait. I want to say something.
Wait, انتظار وکړه. I want to say something. زه غواړم چې تا ته یو څه ووایم.
Yes. I am listening.
Yes, ho, I'm listening. ما درته غوږ نیولی.
I love you. I really love you.
I love you. زه له تا سره مینه کوم. I really love you. زه تا سره په حقیقت سره مینه کوم.
What? Are you for real?
What, so? Are you for real? آیا دا حقیقی ته؟
Yes. I wanted to tell you before. I can't live without you.
Yes, ho, I wanted ما غوښتل to tell you before چې تا ته مخکې ووایم. I can't live without you. زه ستا نه بغیر نشم اوسېدلی.
I love you too.
I love you too. زه هم له تا سره مینه کوم.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night. ښه شپه ولرې. See you tomorrow. سبا ته وګورو.
See you. Take care.
See you. ګورو به. Take care. خیال دې ساته.
I will propose Jacob tomorrow.
I will propose Jacob tomorrow. زه به سبا ته جیکب ته د واده وړاندیز به ورته وکړم. Propose ویل کېږي او چاته د واده وړاندیز کول.
The killer is in jail. Everything is fine.
The killer is in jail. قاتل په جیل کې ده. Everything is fine. هر څه ټیک دي.
I love you, Jacob.
I love you, Jacob. زه له تا سره مینه کوم جیکب.
What happened to the lights?
What happened to the lights? په دې برقونه باندې څه وشول؟ Lights ویل کېږي برقونه.
What's that noise?
What's that noise? هغه شور د چی و. Noise ویل کېږي شور ته.
No, please. Don't kill me.
No, please. نه مهرباني وکړه. Don't kill me. ما مه وژنه.
Who are you?
Who are you? تو څوک یې؟
Are you Tony? Show your face.
Are you Tony? آیا ته ټوني یې؟ Show your face. مخ دې ښکاره کړه.
No, no. Please. Don't kill me.
No, no, please. Don't kill me. ما مه وژنه.
Ashley. It's me. Elizabeth. Open the door.
Ashley, it's me. دا زه یم. Elizabeth یم. Open the door. دروازه خلاصه کړه.
Ashley. Who was here?
Ashley, who was here? د څوک و؟
Did Tony come here? What happened?
Did Tony come here? آیا ټوني دلته راغلی و؟ What happened? څه واقع شول؟
I did not see his face. I don't know him.
I did not see his face. ما د هغه مخ ونه لیده. I don't know him. زه هغه نه پیژنم.
No, no. I will take you to the hospital.
No, no. I will take you to the hospital. زه به تا هسپتال ته یوسم.
What? This cannot be happening. Tony is here.
What, sir? This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. ټوني دی here. ټوني خو دلته دی.
That's mean. Tony is not the killer.
That's mean. دی مطلب دا دی. Tony is not the killer. چې ټوني قاتل نه دی.
That killer killed Ashley. I am here. Please come here.
That killer killed Ashley. قاتل Ashley ووژله. I am here. زه دلته یم. Please come here. مهرباني وکړه دلته راشه.
Don't panic. I am coming.
Don't panic. ډارېږه مه. I am coming. زه درځم. Panic ویل کېږي ډارېدل.
I am sorry, Tony.
I told you. I was not that killer. The killer put that knife in my house.
I told you ما تا ته وویلې کنه. I was not that killer. زه هغه قاتل نه وم. That killer put that knife in my house. هغه قاتل هغه چاقو زما په کور کې ایښې وه.
That killer has gone too far. We could not save your friends.
That killer has gone too far. هغه قاتل خو ډېر لرې تللی دی. We could not save your friends. موږ نشو کولی چې ستاسو ملګري بچ کړو.
I will find that killer.
I will find that killer. زه به هغه قاتل پیدا کړم.
Someone is in the living room. The killer must be here.
Someone is in the living room. یو څوک هلته د اوسېدو کوټه کې شته ده. The killer must be here. قاتل به ضرور دلته وي.
He must be here. We have to find him.
He must be here. هغه به ضرور دلته وي. We have to find him. مونږ باید هغه پیدا کړو. Find ویل کېږي پیدا کولو ته.
Hey killer. We know you are here. Surrender yourself.
Hey killer. Hey قاتله. Killer ویل کېږي قاتل ته. We know you are here. مونږ پوهیږو چې ته دلته یې. Surrender yourself. خپل ځان تسلیم کا. Surrender ویل کېږي تسلیمېدلو ته.
We found you. Your game is over.
We found you. مونږ ته پیدا کړې. Your game is over. ستا game ختم شو.
He is behind the curtains.
He is behind the curtains. هغه د پردو شاته ده. Curtains ویل کېږي پردې.
You can't escape now.
You can escape now. ته اوس نشې کولی چې وتښتېږې. Escape ویل کېږي تښتېدلو ته.
I am warning you. Show yourself.
I am warning you. زه تا ته خبرتیا درکوم. Show yourself. ځان دې ښکاره که. Warning ویل کېږي خبرتیا ته.
Who are you? Why did you kill those girls?
Who are you? څوک یې ته? Why did you kill those girls? تا هغه جنکیانې ولې ووژلې؟
You killed my love. I will not forgive you.
You killed my love. تا زما مینه مړه کړه. I will not forgive you. زه به تا معاف نه کړم. Forgive ویل کېږي معاف کولو ته.
Take off your mask.
Take off your mask. Mask دې لرې که. Take off ویل کېږي لرې کولو ته.
You are under arrest. Take off your mask.
You are under arrest. تو په حراست کې یې. Take off your mask. Mask دې لرې که.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Oh no, no. Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
The killer ran away.
The killer ran away. هغه قاتل وتښتېده.
I am fine. Don't worry. I will inform my team.
I am fine. زه ټیک یم. Don't worry. پریشانه کېږې مه. I will inform my team. زه به خپل ټیم چې دا خبرتیا به ورکړم. Inform ویل کېږي خبرتیا ورکول.
Hello. It's me, Officer Jenny. We have to patrol this whole area.
Hello, salam. It's me, Officer Jenny. دا زه Officer Jenny یم. We have to patrol this whole area. مونږ باید دغه ټوله سیمه په وینسو.
If you see a man wearing black clothes and a black mask, arrest him immediately.
If you see a man, که چېرې تاسو یو کس ولیدو wearing black clothes چې تور کالي اغوستی وي and black a mask او یو تور ماسک اغوستی وي, arrest him immediately. هغه حتما په حراست کې ونیسي د سمدستي. Immediately ویل کېږي سمدستي.
He can't escape this time.
He can escape this time. هغه نور نشي تښتېدلی دې وخت پورې.
Over.
I hope you will arrest him. I am his next target.
I hope زه امید لرم you will arrest him چې تاسو به هغه ونیسئ. I am his next target. زه د هغه راتلونکی ټارګټ زه یم.
We will not let him do this. I will finish this chapter.
We will not let him do this. موږ به هغه پرېنږدو چې داسې وکړي. I will finish this chapter. زه به دغه پاڼه نوره ختمه کړم.
Nobody can find me. I will kill every beautiful girl in the world.
Nobody can find me. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې ما پیدا کړي. I will kill every beautiful girl in the world. زه به په دنیا کې هره ښایسته جنکۍ مړه کوم. Beautiful ویل کېږي ښایسته ته او world ویل کېږي دنیا ته.
Elizabeth, you are next. I will kill you as well.
Elizabeth د جنۍ نوم ده. You are next. راتلونکې ته یې. I will kill you as well. زه به تا هم مړه کړم.
Police can't find me. You have to die, Elizabeth.
Police can't find me. پولیس نشي کولی چې ما پیدا کړي. You have to die, Elizabeth. ته باید مړه شي Elizabeth. Die ویل کېږي مړه کېدل ته.
Hello. Who are you?
Hello, salam. Who are you? څوک ته?
Hello, Jacob. I am your doctor. Your disease is increasing day by day.
Hello, Jacob. Salam, Jacob. I'm your doctor. زه ستا ډاکټر یم. Your disease is increasing day by day. ستا مرستیا چې دا ورځ په ورځ زیاتیږي. Disease ویل کېږي مرستیا ته او increase ویل کېږي زیاتېدلو ته.
Day. You have mental disorder. You have to come to the hospital.
You have mental disorder. ته دماغي ناروغي لري. یعنی دماغي بې نظمي لري. سیده دی مطلب دی. You have to come to the hospital. ته باید هسپتال ته راشي.
Hospital.
Listen. I am not crazy. I am fine.
Listen. غوږ ونیسه ماته. I am not crazy. زه لیونی نه یم. Crazy ویل کېږي لیوني ته. I am fine. زه ټیک یم.
Fine. I don't need your suggestion.
I don't need your suggestion. زه ستا مشورو ته ضرورت نه لرم.
Listen to me, Jacob. This is a serious disease. You don't like beautiful things.
Listen to me, Jacob. ماته غوږ ونیسه Jacob. This is a serious disease. دا یو ډېر serious مرستیا ده. یعنې جدیده مرستیا ده. You don't like beautiful things. ته ښایسته شیان نه خوښوې.
Things. You can hurt someone. You have to meet me immediately.
You can hurt someone. ته یو چاته زیان رسولی شي. You have to meet me immediately. ته باید له ما سره همدا اوس سمدستي ملاقات وکړې.
Immediately.
Listen. I will not come to the hospital. Stop driving me crazy.
Listen, ماته غوږ ونیسه. I will not come to the hospital. زه به هسپتال نه درځم. Stop driving me crazy. ما مه لیونی کوه.
Crazy.
I will cure this disease. It can be.
I will cure this disease. زه به ستا د ناروغۍ علاج وکړم. Cure ویل کېږي علاج کول. ښه کول. It can be dangerous. دا کېدای شي خطرناک شي. Dangerous ویل کېږي خطرناک ده.
Dangerous.
I don't need any.
I don't need any cure. زه هیڅ علاج ته ضرورت نه لرم.
Cure.
I sent your reports to your house. You can take a look.
I sent your reports to your house. ما ستا reports چې دي هغه ستا کور درولېږل. مطلب د مرستیا کوم report چې ده. You can take a look your reports. ته کولی شي چې خپل د report ته وګورې.
Reports.
Okay. I will. Goodbye.
We have lost our friends. That killer destroyed our...
We have lost our friends. موږ خپل ملګري لاسه ورکړل. That killer destroyed our life. هغه قاتل زموږ ژوندونه تباه کړل. Destroy ویل کېږي تباه کولو ته.
Our lives.
I lost
my love. ما خپله مینه لاسه ورکړه.
my love.
Who can be
the killer? قاتل څوک کېدلی شي؟
the killer?
I have no idea. I hope police will find.
I have no idea. زه هیڅ نظریه نه لرم. Idea ویل کېږي نظریه ته. I hope police will find him soon. زه امید لرم چې پولیس به هغه ډېر ژر پیدا کړي.
Find him soon.
Tony. I want to meet Jacob. Can you please drop me off at Jacob?
Tony, I want to meet Jacob. زه غواړم چې د جیکب سره ملاقات وکړم. Can you please drop me off at Jacob's house? آیا ته کولی شې چې ما د جیکب کور ته ورسوي هغلته مې کته کړې؟
Jacob's house?
Yeah, sure.
Will you
meet Jacob? آیا ته به د جیکب سره ملاقات وکړې؟
Meet Jacob?
No. I am exhausted. I want to sleep.
No, I'm exhausted. زه ستړی یم ډېر زیاته. Exhausted ویل کېږي ډېر زیات ستړی. I want to sleep زه غواړم چې ویده شمه. I will go home زه به کور ته لاړ شم.
Will go home.
I see. You had a hard time in jail. I am so sorry. I did not.
I see زه پوه شم. You had a hard time in a jail. تا یو ډېر سخت وخت درلود په جیل کې. I am so sorry زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم. I did not believe you ما په تا باندې یقین ونه کړ. Believe ویل کېږي یقین کول.
Not believe you.
It's fine.
It's fine. هیڅ خبر نشته ټیک ده. I forgive you زه ته معاف کوم.
I forgive you.
Who are you سوګیته؟
Who are you?
Is
this Jacob's house? آیا Jacob کور دی؟
Jacob's house?
Yes, it is.
I brought his reports.
I brought his reports. ما د هغه ریپورت راوړی. Can I meet him? آیا له هغه سره ملاقات کولی شم؟
Can I meet him?
You can give me. I will give him.
You can give me ته کولی شي چې ما ته یې راکړي. I will give him زه به هغه ته ورکړم. He is my boyfriend. هغه زما ملګری دی.
He is my boyfriend.
All
right بالکل صحیح ده. Here it is. دا واخله.
Here it is.
Jacob. It's me, Elizabeth.
Jacob, it's me, Elizabeth. زه یم Elizabeth. The door was open. دروازه خلاصه وه.
The door was open.
Where are you? ته چیرته یې؟
Where are you?
I am in the washroom.
I'm in the washroom. زه په تشناب کې یم. I'm just coming. بس همدا اوس درځم.
I am just coming.
Okay. Take your time.
Should I see these reports? آیا دغه ریپورت زه لیدلی شم؟
Should I see these reports? Of course, I am his girlfriend.
Of course, بالکل. I'm his girlfriend. زه د هغه ملګری یم. I can see it. زه کولی شم چې دا وینم.
I can see it. Oh my God.
Oh my God. او زما خدایا. This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی.
This cannot be happening. Jacob has mental disorder.
Jacob has mental disorder. Jacob چې دا دماغي ناروغي لري. He destroys beautiful things. هغه ښایسته شیان تباه کوي.
Destroys beautiful things. It means
دې مطلب دا دی Jacob is the killer. چې Jacob چې دا هغه قاتل دی.
Jacob is the killer.
Hey honey.
Hey honey. Hey خوږې. What's going on? څه روان دي؟
What's going on?
Jacob, that killer killed Ashley. هغه قاتل چې دا Ashley ووژله.
That killer killed Ashley.
Oh my God. I am so sorry to hear that. I wish.
Oh my God. او زما خدایا. I'm so sorry to hear that. زه ډېر بخښنه غواړم چې دا مې واورېده. I wish کاشکې police could find that killer. چې پولیس هغه قاتل پیدا کړی وای.
Police could find that killer.
Jacob, I need to use the washroom.
Jacob, I need to use the washroom. زه باید تشناب استعمال کړم. I will be right back. زه همدا اوس بیرته راځم.
I will be right back.
Sure, honey.
Hello, Tony. It's me. I am in danger.
Hello, Tony. سلام, Tony. It's me. دا زه یم. I am in danger. زه په خطر کې یم. Please help me. مهرباني وکړه زما کومک وکړه. Danger ویل کېږي خطر ته.
Please help me.
What happened?
What happened? څه واقع شول? Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
Are you okay?
I am not okay. Jacob is the killer.
I am not okay. زه ښه نه یم. Jacob is the killer. Jacob چې دا قاتل دی. Come here with police immediately. دلته راسه له پولیس سره سمدستي.
Here with police immediately.
What? Oh my God. I am coming.
What, sir? Oh my God. او زما خدایا. I'm coming. زه درځم. I will save you. زه به تا ژغورم.
I will save you.
I am back.
I am back. زه بیرته راغلم. Where are you? ته چیرته یې؟
Where are you? Where is that file?
Where is that file? هغه فایل چیرته ده؟ I put it here on the table. هغه خو ما دلته په میز باندې ایښی.
I put it here on the table. That's mean. Jacob has read that file.
That's mean دې مطلب دا دی Jacob has read that file. Jacob چې ده هغه فایل یې لوستلی دی. What to do now? اوس باید څه وکړم؟
What to do now?
What happens to the lights? په دې برقونو باندې څه وشوله؟
What happened to the lights? No. Jacob, you can't kill me.
No, Jacob. نه Jacob. You can't kill me. ته نشې کولی چې ما ووژنې. Don't you love me? آیا ته له ما سره مینه نه کوې؟
Don't you love me?
I hate beautiful things and people.
I hate beautiful things and people. زه نفرت کوم له ښایسته شیانو او له ښایسته خلکو نه. hate ویل کېږي نفرت کول. I will kill you. زه به تا ووژنم.
I will kill you.
You need a doctor.
You need a doctor. ته ډاکټر ته ضرورت لري. You should be in the hospital. ته باید په هسپتال کې وي.
You should be in the hospital.
Your game is over. ستا game ختم شو.
Your game is over.
Why did you kill all those girls? تا هغه ټول جنکیانې ولې ووژلې؟
Why did you kill all those girls?
He has mental disorder.
He has mental disorder. هغه دماغي بېنظمي لري یا ناروغي لري. I have read his medical reports. ما د هغه medical reports لوستلی دي.
I have read his medical reports.
We hate you.
We hate you. موږ تا څخه نفرت کوو. You should be hanged. ته باید داسې تړلی اوسې.
You should be hanged.
I will kill every beautiful girl. زه به هره ښایسته جنکۍ ووژنم.
I will kill every beautiful girl.
You can't kill anyone now.
You can't kill anyone now. ته اوس نشې کولی چې هیڅوک هم وژنې اوسه. You will stay in jail. ته به په جیل کې پاتې کېږې.
You will stay in jail. We consult
your doctor. موږ به ستا له ډاکټر سره مشوره وکړو. consult ویل کېږي مشوره کول. And review your case. او ستا کیس به وګورو.
Consult your doctor and review your case.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. د خدای په امان. You will spend. ته به تیر کې the rest of your life here. د ژوند نوره پاتې برخې.
Thank God. We found the killer.
Thank God. شکر الله. We found the killer. موږ قاتل پیدا کړ. I am over the moon now. زه اوس ډېر زیات خوشحاله.
You found the killer.
You found the killer. ته هغه قاتل پیدا کړ. You are a brave girl. ته یوه زړوره جینۍ یې.
You are brave girl.
Thanks for helping me.
Thanks for helping me. د کومک څخه ډېره زیاته مننه. You are my best friend. ته زما یو ښه ملګری یې.
You are my best friend.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this